Okay, I can start. My name is Anna Agua. I'm co-founder and partner of Lex Law Office, and also I'm co-organizer of the CryptoFin Conference. And today I wanted to give you an overview about the cryptocurrency service providers and about the regulation in EU. So first of all, we need to talk about MLD5. So what is MLD? It's actually, if you are not from the legal or financial space, it's money laundering, fifth money laundering directive. And why it is important? Because according to the fifth money laundering directive, the European Commission decides to bring the cryptocurrency exchange service providers and wallet service providers under the regulation, and they go under the obligated entity definition. And what does it mean? That means that they need to fulfill all due diligence requirements as other financial institutions according to the MLD4. What does it mean? You need to check your client, you need to identify, you need to report, so on and so forth. So let's go deeply who is who. If we are talking about the crypto exchange service providers and custodian wallet service providers, so crypto exchange service providers are entities who help to or provide the services, exchange services, cryptocurrency to fiat and back, and wallet service providers gives you an opportunity to provide the service like storing, keeping, and moving the cryptocurrencies of the clients. So we understand that regulation will be changed from the new year. The companies need to be regulated and they need to fulfill all due diligence requirements. So where to incorporate, where to find the right jurisdiction for your project? Is it Germany, Switzerland, Malta, UK, or even Estonia? It depends a lot on your business project. It depends where are your customers. But I would like to give you a short overview about Estonian legislation. First of all, yes, this is right. We were the first country, and I'm very happy about this, who started to provide the crypto regulation according to the licenses for crypto-related services. And it was at the end of 2017. We have the very clear understanding about the legal term of cryptocurrencies. It's it's virtual asset, legal term for this, not the cryptocurrency. And what we have for now, we have two types of licenses. As I said before, it's absolutely similar to the fifth MLD5. So we have the first license is virtual currency exchange service provider license. The second one is virtual currency wallet service providers. So what about the time frame? The application for the license will be checked within 30 days, which is very short time. If you want to incorporate in Estonia, you can go with the flow with a private limited company, and the initial capital for this is 2,500 euros, and it can be postponed to zero. So you start with zero and you will pay additional 2,500 later. So it's very, very easy for the startups. Also, we have like zero onboarding costs, and there is a lot of arguments and discussion about the banking solution. It is a problem, but actually we have the changes in our regulations from this year, and according to this, private limited liability companies can open bank account in European Economic Area in whatever European Union country, and it can be not only on the banks, but also in the payment institutions. So, for example, if the company is registered in Estonia, incorporated in Estonia, it is possible to open a bank account, for example, in Germany, and to work with this. So it's not like the good solution, but it can be an option for someone. So the main advantages of our regulation, first of all, that we have quite real regulation according to this and obtaining requirements. The second one that I have already mentioned, it's a short processing time, only 30 days to get the answer according to your application. Low state fee, only 345 euros for each application. Low initial capital requirement. Also, we have a very unique tax system. We have like 0% income tax for the corporates. If you do not want to cash out your income, you don't need to pay the income tax. So if you reinvest your money, there is no income tax for this. Also, we have the very easy incorporation possibilities. So company establishment, it's not an issue. And maybe you have heard about e-residency as well. So e-residency is a possibility to use e-government services for foreign people as Estonian citizens. It's actually a card, an opportunity to identify you, and that gives you opportunity to incorporate the company, make bank transfers, send the documents to the court, fulfill the tax declaration, and so on and so forth. So it's very, very, very good tool to run your business and to go with the flow with this. And some numbers, according to the e-residency, we have more like 57,000 e-residents at the moment, and more than 7,000 companies were registered by e-residents, and more than from 176 countries, residents applied for the e-residency. So how it looks like? Actually, you will get the card with the chip and the device for this. You just put the device into your computer or laptop, the card in, then you download the software and you are ready to use it. And I would like to show you some short video about the e-residency, how simple it is and how fun it is.
Can you see that sauna on the lake? But let's head over to it, relax a bit, and I'll tell you about e-residency.
Hi, welcome to our board meeting. Just sit back and relax.
This was our growth last year. Not bad, huh? What does your prognosis say? Is it realistic to expect something like this next year?
Yes. E-residency enables you to start and run an EU-based company from anywhere in the world, without even coming to Europe. Everything can be done remotely, online, just like these guys here do. E-residency removes a lot of the hassle so you can focus on your passion rather than on paperwork. It also makes our world borderless. Everyone's welcome. Plus, it's completely trustworthy as it's based on the government-issued digital identity. So, why did you guys sign up for it?
Well, it's location independent and trustworthy. I can work wherever I am and I can access all the tools to grow my business globally. The costs are low as bureaucracy levels because I can sign documents digitally. This is modern business. E-residency is a game changer.
Well, I love the fact that I can run my business in an open and trusted business environment. Plus, Estonia has the most competitive tax environment in the OECD. For example, there is 0% tax on the retained profits.
I guess we are finished here now.
You gain access to a wide range of e-services, from payment providers to banking, all of which makes everything incredibly smooth and fast, like starting your business online in the Estonian e-business registry, which takes less than a day. So, what are you waiting for? Our borderless world awaits. Do you want to be a game changer too, and become a global entrepreneur? Just come join us.
So you can see that e-residency is as simple as swimming or heating in sauna. And to apply for this, you need to just register on e-residency website to fulfill the form, and you will get the answer within 30 days. And you can pick up your card from all over the world. So it's really, really easy opportunity, and we are a very unique country. We are the only country in the world who has such solution. But I would like to come back for a little bit to the regulation according the licenses in Estonia. Actually, we have Money Laundering Act draw, and we might have some changes in our regulation, and I will give you the short overview about this. First of all, the crypto license application state fee will increase 10 times. So at the moment it's 345 euros, it will be 3,300 euros. The next important point is the term of the consideration will increase 10 times. So at the moment it's 30 days, it will be from 3 months to 6 months. And the third important thing that the regulator wants to issue 3 times less licenses next year. We have issued more than 1,000 licenses, so the prognosis for the next year is like 300 licenses. And some other important changes that may come. The first is we will have the high requirements for the members of the board. So member of the board need to have needed education, professional skills, experience, and have the absolutely clear business reputation. The second important point is the company should have registered office in Estonia, and the place of the business should be in Estonia. And the third main point is the location of the member of the board should be in Estonia. We are not clear with that. It's a draft, and we don't have the clear understanding how it will be implemented, but I gave you an overview about possibilities. So if you had an idea to incorporate in Estonia and to apply for the licenses, maybe it's a good time for this before the state fee increase, and we have other changes in our legislation. So join our e-nation, and thank you so much for your attention.